What's up, guys? We got a Samsara AI camera. This one records the driver and the passenger and the people in the back, and then of course it has one for the front, and then it has an app on the phone, and he's able to do a live view and see what's going on. Doesn't have a rear dash cam because he really didn't want it. He just wanted one for the recording inside the vehicle and recording in the outside. It also comes with built-in GPS tracker. Of course, this is not for theft because anybody who breaks in will grab this and throw it out the window. This is more for rentals, and if you know, just for accidents and things like that you want to have footage, and maybe if you rent a car out, you want to do a little live view here and there. But yeah, that's basically it. Our numbers, again, we're based out of Miami. Whoever buys these type of cameras or any dash cams for any vehicles, give us a call. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we're based out of Miami, Florida, and we do have mobile service, so we can come out to your office, home, or business if you have multiple fleet vehicles. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814, and this is an AI camera, and it should, I don't know what type of technology the AI is going to do, but I don't know if it will record like heartbreaking and stuff like that. Maybe it does. It goes through your OBD port, so you know, it definitely picked up the gas, how much gas you have in the car. It'll probably pick up heartbreaking and all that stuff. All right, maybe it has a sensor inside that if you get into some kind of accident, it will send them a message. I'm not 100% sure on the platform. We just did the installation for him. I guess he can play with all those bells and whistles later. And again, our numbers is 305-298-4814.